My commitment to our children is now the very engine of my life. They are our living legacy, the most precious pieces of you left on this earth. I want you to have a divine peace in your spirit, because my commitment to you, for our children, Sky and Denise, does that I will always respect their decisions to the best of their interest, while also jealously guarding the love you instill in our family. I will guard their hearts with a ferocity you would recognize. I will be fortress against the world's storms, ensuring they never doubt for a single moment that they are cherished, wanted, and adored. The boundless, effortless love you poured into them will now flow through me, doubled in its intensity, because it now carries my share and yours. You taught me how to love with depth, how to parent with grace, just like your mom taught you, and the lessons and virtues she instilled in you will remain the anchor of our home. I promise to take care of Mom, just like you taught us, and enhance the bond with her grandchildren, Sky and Dani. I will not fill in the gap as the last born she adored, but I will do my best to make sure your memories will remain vibrant and alive. Like how you brought your family and my family together during Christmas, I promise you that it will not die off. And Sky and Dani will be there to help me keep the bond Sky and Dani will be there to help me keep the bond of the uncles and aunties from both our families. The children, holidays, and birthday surprises will remain honored